Hello, hello. Welcome to the Self-Esteem and Meditation class here at the Self-Esteem Doctor Academy. It is me, Dr. Simone, the Self-Esteem Doctor, and I'm super, super excited to talk to you about my perspective of blending self-esteem and meditation and how it can benefit all of us, and especially our kids. I love it. So here's what it is. Self-esteem has always been something I define as the way we are thinking and feeling about ourselves, right? So we think with the mind, the brain, we feel with the heart. Well, recent studies have really been coming up to tell us that there is such an important connection between the mind and the heart, and that we can do these meditative practices to make sure that our mind and heart are in sync so that we are vibing on the right wavelength, right? So you see this, our mind and our heart. So it's super important that in different meditations that we make sure our thoughts are going in the right direction or are silenced to kind of quiet those thoughts, right? Or focus them. And to make sure also that our hearts are open. I mean, there is science behind this now, guys, telling us the importance of that electric signal, right? The electricity that's coming out of here, and the magnetic values and properties of the heart, that we are magnets, right? So when we do this right, when we love ourselves and we're sending out great thoughts and it's matching with these great feelings, we become magnetic. We are just this electromagnetic field of awesomeness. So not only do we feel great inside, we can see a great difference in our health, our attitude, our behavior, and of course, and especially the life that we are living, because we are magnetizing greatness. So there is definitely a nice connection here between the way we think and feel about ourselves, self-esteem, and of course, the way that we get into a zone where we connect on purpose, connect our thoughts with our feelings, and connect in that zone of meditation. So as you go through, you're going to get 3 different major lessons in this course. It's going to teach you about ways you can get this connection established in a way that's raising your self-esteem and putting you in this meditative place. I really am excited for you guys to get into these courses. Enjoy, enjoy, enjoy.